2007 Chevy Silverado, the new body. We just finished up doing a backup camera to an existing Kenwood double din. As soon as you put the truck into reverse, backup camera turns on all by itself. Go into drive, goes away. Allows you to see everything back behind you. And for security, got the silencer, Sl-62, quarter-mile pager, keyless entry, full-featured alarm, honking horn, flashing light, siren underneath the hood. Got your lock, unlock. For remote start, we just hit the start key one time. The remote whistles, and then the engine will crank on. We've got full featured alarms for all types of vehicles. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. We'll see you guys on the next one.